Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya M from First MBA. Today I am going to speak about functions of operations management. Objectives: Introduction, meaning, functions of operations management, and conclusion. Introduction: In a manufacturing organization, the operations component is responsible for the transmission of raw materials into finished goods. Operations management can be defined by the management of all process related to the production of items. Meaning: Within the process, operations management make use of various tools and strategies to increase production output and ensure that the customer orders are completed on time. Functions of operating management. The basic role of operation management in the company is its transformation role in the process of converting inputs such as raw materials into finished goods and service. The transformation role of operation management makes this function very important part of the whole organization. Next, the key functions of operations management. Some of the key functions of operations management include: firstly, finance, strategy, operation, product design, demand forecasting, quality control, supply chain configuration. Where functions and roles in operation management: planning and implementing manufacturing plans, managing projects, planning information system, helping to design and develop products and services, managing inventory through the supply chain, managing delivery to customers in a timely manner, and optimizing quality control. These are all the functions and roles in operations management. Finance. Finance plays a chief role in operation management. It is essential to ensure that the organization's finance has been utilized properly to carry out major functions such as creation of goods or services so that the customer's need could be satisfied. Where proper utilization and allocation of finance will allow for a product to be created for the lowest cost that will also satisfy overall the consumer needs. Well, strategy management in the planning, monitoring, analysis, and assessment of all aspects and organization to counties basis. Attention to these elements ensure that the strategy is developed and then implemented in a manufacturing facility. Operation. This function in operating management is concerned with planning, organizing, directing, and overall control of all activities within the organization. This is the primary function of operations management and will effectively aid in converting raw materials and human efforts into durable goods and services that consumer will be able to utilize it. Next, product design. Incorporating innovative technologies play a crucial role in the selling of a product. Thus, it is the duty of operation manager to ensure that the product is designed catering to the market trends and needs of the customers. The modern day customers are more concerned about the quality of the product than its quantity. So, the operation managers focus on producing top notch quality products. Demand forecasting. Forecasting is always refers to the process of making an estimation regarding certain events that might occur in future. In operation management, forecasting refers to the estimation of customers' demand so that production can be done accordingly. Through this, the managers gets to know what to produce, when to produce, how to produce in accordance with the customer's needs. Next, we move into the quality control. In addition to the product design function, operations managers should strive to produce the best quality product possible. Modern day consumers are concerned about the quality instead of quantity, as I said in the previous one, which is why It is so crucial to develop a durable and top notch quality product. This is especially important when evaluating the existing process, as improving production process should not be at the expense of quality. Operation managers should ensure that the quality control process are defined and implemented to catch and defective items. Well, supply chain configuration. The main motive of supply chain configuration is to ensure effective management, monitoring, and controlling of all the main activities that are held in the firm. The supply chain configuration starts from the supply of raw materials and continues till the production of the final product, and then they're selling to customers, which will satisfy the customer needs and wants. Finally, the conclusion. Nowadays, operation management plays important role in organizational management in production enterprise. We can distinguish many activities that can be seen as operation management scope of interest. Now we can distinguish six main functions of operations management in the industrial enterprise: finance, strategy, operation, product design, forecasting, quality control, supply chain configuration. In each of these fields, operation managers should conduct many decisions affecting organization effectiveness. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can send in comment box. This is references. Thank you.